Hi, baby. Before this audio starts, I just want to let you know that I love you, and the full version's available in the comments. Oh, and you look so pretty today, by the way. Alright, let's get into it. I love you. Mwah. Oh, I can't believe I just have all this old stuff lying around. Yeah, I know. I haven't cleaned this out in a while. No, I never thought about, looking in the back of this closet. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Just a bunch of old stuff here. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I've always had boxes, kind of all over the place, but yeah. Oh, I mean, look at this. When do you think I last worn this? I mean, come on, it's like 2016 stuff. No. I'd never wear this now. Okay. No, I wouldn't. You always find a way to just, I don't know, tease me. No, I'm not mad. I'm just biting back a little bit. Oh my god, look at these old photos. Look at that. Oh. Yeah, no, that was so much fun. Yeah. I do miss it a lot. But, yeah. Oh, look at this. It's like one of those things you like train your dog with. Yeah, you click it, They do something good and you click it and you give them a treat. Yeah, it's supposed to I don't know, reinforce that, a treat is coming. Show them that it's a good behavior or something like that. Yeah, some instant reward thing. I'm not sure, I didn't ever, get too into it. Oh yeah, no, yeah. I probably used this for 2 weeks and then I forgot. Or I got bored, I don't know. You know how I am. Yeah. I mean, I honestly don't even know if they work, to be honest. I mean, yeah, sure, it makes sense, but I don't know. Maybe I never got, good enough at it or something. Yeah, I mean, sure, it's not the most crazy skill ever to develop, I guess, but no, I just never took the time, I guess. Oh wait, look at this. Hey, are you paying attention? Yeah, no, I'm showing you this thing, but I don't know, you keep just looking at that, I don't know, fidgeting with it. Yeah, sure, I mean, yeah, works. Why wouldn't it work? It's a click, like that. Okay. Yeah, why is that so interesting? You saw something about it. Okay. Yeah, what'd you see? What? What do you mean? You want me to use it on you? What? Where'd you read about this? What's this? Who does that? It's popular? Yeah, I mean, I'm sure. No, I don't believe you. Yeah, what? What? It's a clicker. Like this. Is that interesting? How am I gonna use that on you anyway? I'll make you sit and then make it click? Give you a treat? What, a piece of candy? Kinda. What are you talking about? No, I'm not. I'm not trying to like make fun of you. It's just, I mean, yeah, I guess. I try it. I've never thought about it, I guess. What, is this like a thing you've been wanting to do? Kinda. Okay, so it is. No, just, you've never, like, brought it up before, so how was I supposed to know? Oh, yeah, yeah. Well, again, no, I guess, yeah, we could try. I mean, I think I see, like, the vision in it. Depending on what you mean, of course. Yeah, well, right now? Okay. No, I don't know. It's just, yeah, let's try it, I guess. I don't really have any treats, though, so. Okay. Come on. Sit. Good job. Hey, come here. Okay. Sit. Good job. I'll try one more time. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Sit. There you go. Good girl. Yeah. I guess petting your head's gonna be a good enough reward for you, isn't it? Yeah. I mean, I don't see you complaining, so. Yeah. Okay. What do you want to try next? Lay down? Yeah. Okay. Sure. Come on. Lay down. Good job. Lay down. There you go. Good girl. Yeah. You having fun? Yeah, no, it's pretty good. Yes, I like it. I don't know, I just, like I said, I've never thought about it, but I don't dislike it. Yeah, you look pretty cute like that. So, you know, the whole pet vibe or whatever. Yeah, we don't really have any treats. Unless, you know. I mean, if you want to try that, I wouldn't say no. Okay, well, we can try. You know, you just gotta, I don't know. Let's try something basic. Yeah. Put your hand over it. Good job. Okay, try again. Put your hand over it. Good job. I mean, yeah, I'm still keeping my clothes on, but you're doing well enough. Yeah. Well, maybe later. If you keep doing well. I mean, that sounds like a reward to me, doesn't it? Yeah. Well, then. Maybe if you do well enough.